This is episode 2, and today I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet. So first, on the top right corner, there will be a waffle icon where you press it, and then you can go down into Google Sheets and click that. It will redirect you to Google Sheets. So on the top, as you can see, there are a series of options. So the first one is blank, so if you'd like a blank spreadsheet, you can click on that. But if you would like a template, then you can simply look at these other options. To view more options, just go to Template Gallery and click that. And as you can see, there are various options. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to click on the blank spreadsheet. It will then redirect me to the spreadsheet. If I would like to rename this specific spreadsheet, all you have to do is in this toolbar, on the top left corner, there will be a title box. You click on it and it selects it for you, and then you can just rename it, and then you press enter. To move this spreadsheet into a specific folder, you simply go to File, and then Move with a little folder icon with an arrow. You press that, and then it will display all of your folders. So I'm going to move it into Teen Techie. You select it and you press Move. So if you would like to know more about Google Sheets and how to use it, please make sure to check out my other videos, which come out Wednesdays and Fridays. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.